Halos pa ulan, ating mundo'y lunuring tuluyan.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
So what is up mga soldiers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your guy, your average Nicker guy, rock and roll the talk. And welcome again YouTube. Hello there mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, brothers and sisters out there. So I hope everything's fine today. Yung araw niyo maganda. Hindi man maganda, pagandahin natin kasi nanonood kayo ng aking vlog, diba? So again, nakita nyo na kanina, I'm traveling and actually nakasingit na naman tayo ng oras to do some vlog. So ito na naman tayo, nasa loob ng sasakyan, magba-vlog. But ayun, kanina kasi I dropped by Marikina River Banks. Medyo may minute tayo doon, although itong ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon is a slide or a sleepers sandals na actually wala na tong colorway na to, no? And we had a chance to get and grab one na meron siya nito, meron siyang stock, and definitely ako one of my favorite colors din tong kulay nito, no? Yes guys, it's from the Peak brand, one of the top brands ng pagdating sa Chinese brands in terms of footwear, streetwear, athletic wear. So ito na, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Definitely this would also make some head turns, no, pag maglalakad kayo. So yes, this is the Peak paper bag, no. This model specifically guys is available pa siya sa Peak stores, sa Peak online stores nila, sa outlet stores nila, but yung specific model and color, yung specific colorway na to na meron tayo is wala na kayong makikita. I don't know if as of this moment di ko pa siya na-check dun sa online stores niya. Well, ayan, kunin ko na yung kanyang box. Well, actually I had one of this, gamit ko siya ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo. So ganda ng box. So it's stated Peak Tai Chi, yan. So makikita nyo yung fingerprint. So at least it's very premium na kung titignan nyo. So nagpipik na yung color, ayan. At ayan, Peak branding here. And then ayun, sa ilalim naman is the sizing, so you can repair your sizes if you want. Let's pop the box open. Alam nyo guys, sobrang excited ako dito kasi this is one of the most comfortable slides that I have, no. And it's really kumbaga ang sarap niya sa paa. Ang daling isuot, and it's very soft. Ayan. So paper tissues, yan. Tanggalin natin yung pair, kita nyo na. There's nothing in here except for this one. Okay, so ayan, naka-wrap sa paper tissue with the Peak branding. Yan, nakita nyo na kanina. Wow, so nice. Okay, turning point. Yes. Ang ganda, grabe. Ang cheesy nito. Well, actually size 43 pala to, no. I am 42, but 9.5 na pala to, no. So medyo, I think this is big kasi yung aking isa, yung original colorway, which is the general release, is 42 ako dun. So let's check this, no. Ito, gamit ko yung original one. Matagal na rin sa akin to, eh. This is actually years already. So we got this more than a year ago, no. So matagal na tong model na to, I think. Hindi ko rin maalala. So yan, Peak Tai Chi. So ito, makikita nyo pa sa mga stores, no, yung ganitong mga colorway. And sabi nyo na, it's very chunky. So parang lumalaban sa vibes ng Yeezy slides, diba? And actually if you wore it, ganun din ang vibes niya talaga. And ito, this is my go-to sleepers pagdating sa driving, no? So I'm wearing my sneakers right now, and it's really comfortable, guys. So balik tayo dito sa keso, no? Tawagin ko na lang siyang keso dahil wala namang nakalagay sa box, no, na I don't know kung ano yung nakalagay, but this is constructed with the EVA foam, no? Yung buong construction ng slide na to, and as you can see, dahil tinawag ko siyang keso, there's a lot of cheese graphics in there. Yeah, kita nyo here and here. Ayan, so ang galing, no? It's so nice. And actually ito yung Peak logo with a standard fingerprint. Well, of course, yung sole nito, the insoles of this, yung footbed, let's get the other pair, no? Yung footbed is really Tai Chi, no? The technology of Peak, wherein ito yung sumasabay sa comfort ng React, ng Boost. So paalabanan ng comfort ngayon pagdating sa footwear, no? And ayan, with the pattern of the fingerprint, yan, so nice, diba? Ang ganda. One great advantage of this slide is hindi siya madulas, no? Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina yung aking personal na naunang pair. Hindi natin siya na-review, no, before, but it's really comfortable. Hindi dumudulas yung paa mo, so it would stay really nice. Yung foot mo dun sa pinaka footbed niya. So sabi ko nga, the specs of this is EVA foam. This is a nice EVA foam. So kanina umuulan, it's so rainy, so you really need this kind of slippers. Walang foam na tela or cotton inside na mamamaho. So most of my slides are like this. So isang constructed siya, and then in-embed dito yung Tai Chi na ano, and medyo may konting ano lang flaws, no? Makikita mo yung some markings of the blue there, yung white, mga white, and at the back you can see yung Peak Tai Chi. So yan, so I think ganun ang pagka-mold sa kanya, hindi siya buong Tai Chi. So the Tai Chi technology is yung pinaka footbed lang na parang insole niya pagdating sa sneakers. So the outsoles, isa pa, napakakapit, good traction itong slides na to. Not unlike some slides, hindi ko na sasabihin yung mga brand, dudulas ka pag nasa tiles ka, or sometimes pag very yung medyo wet at may moist yung ano, yung kalsada, medyo madulas ka. So mga soldiers, that's it for today. So thank you very much sa mga bagong subscribers ko. I gained, I think, additional 10 subscribers, no, for the last week. So I hope madagdagan na siya, ma-reach na natin 500, tapos another 500, baka 1K na tayo, and we can do more some of our charities and to help other people who are in need. Alright? So guys, if you cannot have this colorway, advisable ko, pumunta kayo sa Peak, kunin nyo rin yung the standard colors din, no? It's so nice kasi napakaganda niya sa paa, it's very comfortable, and yun lang naman ang hinahanap natin all the time is comfortability. And ayun, good quality for me. For the longest time na ginamit ko yung white one ko. So Peak slides, they call it the Peak sleepers, and with Tai Chi technology. Alright, so see you again mga soldiers, and you should share your blessings, spread the love, peace, and stay safe. Alright, adios.